Welcome to Successful Dads. Don't be afraid to raise your value. Don't be afraid to teach your kid that skill of learning how to cook. If you don't know how to cook, you can watch this video. At least learn one thing, how to cook. I taught my son, he teach me things, so hey, we giving back to each other. That's just building a bond of how to move forward. Wash them out real good. Rub them, massage them. You may have to add a little more drip, just, to get them right. In other words, like a grooming stage. That's where we at right now, the grooming stage. And then you add a little seasoning inside and out. Well, you can add a lot of seasoning. It's to your liking, however you like it. But, I try to stay away from too much extra seasoning. Make sure you wash your hands. Clean up around your area after you put the seasoning and everything. You don't want to transfer no contaminants or anything like that. Make sure you washing around your area. Make sure it's clean. Get your heat right. You go outside for some beef. You'll take your heat outside for some beef. But you won't go in the kitchen and turn your heat up and cook. That don't make sense to me. You don't want to eat. Place your meat in the pan, preferably a glass pan. I just like to see what's going on. So I preferably use the pan, the glass pan. Then cover the top with some foil. See, the foil is gonna help it create its own juices. A female taught me that. So I took that and taught it to my son. So we can learn from anybody. Open the oven once you make sure your temp right. It already preheated and things like that. Then you place the pan or whatever you use inside the oven. Make sure you cover the top up. Set your timer for an hour and a half or 2 hours. It's whichever one you prefer. I go an hour and a half. Then you gotta come back often to check to make sure it's cooking through. See how tender it is. See if the bone coming down. We make sure the bone coming down. Ooh, she gonna love it. You might have to flip them. May not. I don't too much like to flip certain meats because I like to, take it out and see my seed. I'm trying to make it look so good. Once the timer reaches 0 and it start beeping, beep, 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 beep. That means you need to go in the kitchen, open that oven, pull it out, and it should look a little something like this, if not better. I hope yours look a little better than this, because I want you to get in the comments and let me know how it turned out. You did. Like, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you for watching Successful Dads.